It is time for a BarkBox. Oh yeah. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. You come over here. Lay down. And we have Callie here today to help us out. Cal, lay down. Lay down. Good boy. Oh, Callie doesn't quite understand it just yet. That's alright. Ajax knows what this is all about. Yes, you do. Yeah, trying to get it open. There we go. All right. Let's see what our theme is this month, huh? Aha! Looks to be college themed. We have Bark University. Oh my gosh. They have like an acceptance letter. Bark University, Office of Admissions to the Lucky Pup. Let's open it up, shall we? You're all grown up, you're gonna go to college. All right, let's see. Oh my. Bonus Canis. Dear Pup, congratulations. On behalf of our students, senior dog professors, and very busy janitors, I'm proud to inform you that you have been accepted to Bark University. At Bark University, you will sniff butts and run around in circles with the greatest pups in the land. Oh shoot, that's what you do already. Our senior dog faculty can't wait to help you further your education. Seriously, they've been calling at the door for hours. Through a sophisticated curriculum and pause-on education, Bark University offers our students unparalleled opportunities to snack on new snacks, squeak new squeakers, and bark up all the right trees. Please review the materials in your BarkBox for everything you'll need to start the year off on the right paw. And don't forget to review your course catalog, Dogalog, and sign up for your first semester classes. You could even compete for valedictorian. There are big rewards for the lucky pup who scores a 4.0. We look forward to smelling you on campus. Yours truly, Bella Ada Tenderloin. Okay, that's that. Congratulations, proud pup parent. Your dog is headed to Bark University. So, they got some really interesting toys here. Oh, they got a course Dogalog, student name, pick 3 classes. You got philosophy, archaeology, performing arts, chemistry, poetry, and extracurricular. That's cute. Okay, so he's waiting very patiently for me to get to actually doing stuff here. So, our first toy is Sharpay Highlighter. Oh, it's like a highlighter. Okay, I get it. Okay, we're free. Oh, it crackles and it squeaks. Woo! There you go. Hi, Callie. Oh, hey. Be patient, girl. Okay, so let's see. Our first treats are brew biscuits. Cheddar spent grain dog treats with bacon flavor. So these are like beer flavored. That's cute. That's it. Or lay down. That's good. That's good. You guys are gonna split one, okay? Because they're decent size. Can you high five? No. Lay down. Lay down. High five. High five. Yeah, there you go. Okay, lay down, Kelly. Lay down. Good girl. Here you go. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Wait. Oh, the toy's underneath. I thought he was just aggressively going for the box there. Okay, so the special treat that you usually get with these is a Spirit Stick Pork Chew. Oh, he dropped the toy right away. I saved these for a rainy day, essentially, and today happens to be a rainy day. Can you lay down? Lay down. Good boy. Callie wants it too. So he'll probably get this tonight, actually, because I've been running out of stuff to give him. So there's that. Our next toy is Pup Noodles, like a cup of noodles. Oh, this is gonna be bad. He's gonna grab onto these little strings and start yanking on them. So this one might not last that long, but it's really cute. Oh, it's got 2 squeakers in it. want the high liquor? There you go, Cal. Yep, that's the happy dog now. Uh-oh. They're scrapping over the toys now. Okay. And our final snack is Lambda Trita Pie. Pie, I don't know. Made with succulent lamb and hearty lentils. These treats have your pup's tummy prepped for all-night house party. That's funny. I don't have any dogs here to try it though. Usually if I say treat, they come running. You want a treat? There you go, kiss it. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Yay! Hey, good job. There you go. There you go. Well, that was very odd. For some reason, Ajax forgot how to roll over. So I had to stop and get him to do it again. So, yeah. I like this box. He obviously likes it too. Yep, he's good. He's similar there. And there he goes. He's pulling on the noodles, trying to rip it apart now. Anything that sticks out, he goes after. So I won't be surprised when that gets destroyed in about 5 minutes. Yeah. Good girl. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you smelling the treats? Yep. Yeah. Well, I think this box is really fun. I like the college theme. He loves a lot. And he hasn't started shredding them immediately, which is a good sign. And Callie enjoyed it too. Yes, she did. So, the treats were good. I like the whole theme. Good girl. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video and we will see you again next week. Bye.